In this section, you'll find a listing of all the virtual servers you've created. Here we can see we have 2. Since this is likely your first time using Linode, your list will be empty. To create your first Linode, click on the Add Linode button. On this page, you can select the server configuration for your Linode. For this tutorial, we'll be using the most basic server configuration. Select Linode 1024. Next, you'll need to select a location for your Linode. The location typically depends on where the majority of your users will be located. It's normally a good idea to select a server that is in close proximity with your users. This helps maximize page loading speed. Let's leave the default, Newark, New Jersey, for our example. Once you've added your Linode, you'll see your Linode appear in the Linodes list. Linode automatically assigns a generic name to your server. The status will initially show up as being created. You may need to refresh the page for an update on the status. So just give it 30 seconds or so. And once you press the refresh button, you'll see the status changes to brand new. This means the server has been created. Next, you can see the plan that we selected for this Linode, the 1024 plan. We can also see the IP address that's been assigned to this server. The IP address is very important. Until we attach a domain name to this IP, we'll need to use the IP to access our server. This is both from an administration standpoint, as well as for previewing our web pages in our web browser. We can also see the location of our server. As we selected Newark, New Jersey, that's what's displayed here. We have the option of enabling or disabling backups. Backups is an add-on feature offered by Linode that automatically creates routine backups of your server, and this is at an additional cost as well. More information about automatic updates can be found at the link below. Later in this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a manual backup of your server using disk imaging at only a fraction of the cost. Under the Options heading, we can view the server dashboard or remove the server. If you do decide to remove the server, you lose all of the server's contents permanently, so do keep that in mind.